With the SafeLogic backlit, there's actually another code in the system that's called a reset code, and it's 6 nines. We can use this code in order to recover it back to factory default. So let's assume that we don't know the user 1 code, we don't know the user 2 code, and we've lost the supercode. We can use the 6 nines in order to set it back to factory default. Here's how we do that. Press the 6 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hold for a second set of beeps. Now press the number 3. What that has done is wiped out all of the codes that were in the system, and it's set it back to true factory default. The factory default now has one code. The supercode has been changed to 111111. Let's go ahead and test that. And we can open our lock. Now, the reset code of 6 nines can be changed to a unique. The factory changes that number from 6 nines to a unique number before they send it out to you. Contact Liberty to get the reset code.